we're doing fireworks finally.
You got yours?
Yo, yeah, and it's gonna be awesome. People run around, kids off. It's people are everywhere. It's awesome. All right, here we go. Lighten them up there. Oh boy. Yeah, it's America for it. And this video will be going up tomorrow morning because it's like 10 o'clock right now. They're currently lighting one right. It's awesome, bro. Everything is cool. Rob, get out of the way. Oh, that's America. Another one? No, okay.
Hey, get this one ready.
What?
Go ahead and get this one ready.
Where at? Give it to Ethan?
Get the fuse ready.
I don't know how, bro.
Yeah, these are the ones in down. I got one more. I'll get one more and then we
He wants me to get this freaking thing. All right.
That
Fireworks.
Too fast.
Feel the boom on that one, baby. Y'all yeet!
What?
They're wanting.
Hey, there's multiple tubes.
We got freaking sparklers going on over here. Fireworks everywhere! Woo!
Yeah, here's second tube. It should be.
We need some Roman candles, man.
I know. Does anybody have Roman candles?
I think, yeah, I have Roman.
Chill. There's me's in here.
Zane, I got Roman candles, bro. I got you Roman candles. I want Roman candles with Roman Atwood's face on them, because that'd be cool.
Haley, come here.
Edie has a sparkler. No one trusts. Whee! Oh, we're lighting a big one out here. Run! Run for your life! Howie!
Yo, I'm so glad we bought these.
Yo, what's up, Ethan? Say hello.
What's up, squad?
No, bro, shine the light in your face.
What's up, Sky?
Say like and subscribe.
Let's hurry up and get this.
Like and subscribe and turn post notifications on.
That's not fun. Yeah, I got you Roman candles, man, with Roman Atwood's face on them. Y'all yeet!
Get the Roman candle. Who wants one?
Yeah, I want one. Hey, can you film me with one?
No, I got like a split.
What? No, but can you film me with one? Like, I need.
I can't do any filming.